How to withdraw Temu credit balance. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Temu application. After that, go to your profile icon in this U section. Now you will see an option credit balance. Tap on it. Now if you have any credit balance, you will also have an option to withdraw it to your PayPal or your bank account. Since I have zero balance, I do not have that function as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one. So first, launch your Temu application. After that, go to your profile icon in this U section. Now you will see an option credit balance. Tap on it. Now, if you have any credit balance, you will also have an option to withdraw it to your PayPal or your bank account. Since I have zero balance, I do not have that function as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.